Hey there, holiday hustlers! Welcome back to Odyssey Map, where we make your holidays brighter, smarter, and easier. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to stay updated on all our money-saving, stress-busting tips. Let's make this Christmas the best one yet. Super subscribe to Odyssey Map for more holiday hacks, with a festive bell icon. First up, start with a budget. Write down who you're shopping for and assign a spending limit for each person. This simple step keeps your wallet happy and your stress low. Super hack hash 1. Budgeting is your best friend. Skip the holiday rush by shopping early. Better yet, shop online and avoid the crowds altogether. Look for deals during pre-Christmas sales like Green Monday or Free Shipping Day. Super hack hash 2. Beat the rush, shop early. Let technology work for you. Cashback apps like Rakuten or browser extensions like Honey can find discounts or give you cashback on your purchases. It's like getting paid to shop. Super hack hash 3. Save while you spend. Personalized gifts add a thoughtful touch without breaking the bank. Try DIY projects like candles, photo albums, or homemade baked treats. These gifts show love and creativity. Super hack hash 4. Thoughtful doesn't have to be expensive. Stocking stuffers don't have to cost a fortune. Think affordable but fun quirky socks, mini skincare items, or artisanal chocolates. They're small in size but big on charm. Super hack hash 5. Stockings full of love, not expense. And that's a wrap, literally. With these hacks, you're all set to save time, money, and stress this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more holiday hacks and tips. Thanks for watching and happy holidays. Super subscribe now for more holiday magic. See you in the next video and may your holidays be merry and bright.